Hello friends, welcome to Weathercast. In this video, I'm going to talk about Mumbai monsoon and Mumbai rains. So as we all have noticed that Mumbai monsoon has missed its on-time date, which is June 11th. We are running a couple of days late. So when is monsoon expected to hit us, and what is in store for us in terms of rains for the next, let's say, 4 to 5 days? All right, so let us look at the monsoon chart. The monsoon has entered Maharashtra. In fact, it has covered most of Marathwada and Vidarbha and moving along Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Bihar. So, this is as of today. So, let us see what is in store for next few days. If you look at the GFS model, what we see is upper air circulation at 700 HPA, which is extending from Central Arabian Sea all the way to Jharkhand. Under the influence of this UAC, the parts of central India, especially Marathwada, Vidarbha, have been getting some very good rainfall, which is much needed because that will signal the onset of the sowing season. And also parts of Jharkhand has have also recorded some good rains. Bombay, so just south of Bombay, like Ratnagiri, South Konkan, has recorded some heavy to very heavy rains. That is because this UAC is just south of Bombay. If you see, if I zoom in, see, it is just south of Bombay. That's why Bombay is missing some good widespread rains. There have been rains, but they are only moderate, light to moderate in nature, mostly 20, 25, some places 40 mm, but most of the places have recorded light to moderate rainfall. Today also it is the same case where parts of suburbs have registered good rainfall, but city has missed out on rainfall event. But the central suburbs and the eastern suburbs have actually recorded some decent rainfall to the tune of 20-25 mm. Some places 40 mm has been recorded. This is good because the slow, steady increase in rainfall is good for announcing the monsoon onset. So, overnight also we can expect some on and off rains um, because this UAC is active, which is upper air circulation. So, I hope that tomorrow the onset will be announced. That's my belief because the rainfall criteria is kind of matching. Most of the places have recorded enough rainfall. So, uh, the onset of monsoon can be announced. Nashik has been getting very good rainfall, okay, but obviously onset hasn't been announced there because it has to cross Bombay. Then only it will go towards Nashik. So what I'm hoping is that tomorrow Pune, Bombay, and Nashik they will come under the monsoon onset curve. So the curve will move up, covering these places. That is what is my expectation. And slowly we will see some steady increase in the rains because if you see the UAC or the upper air circulation is slowly moving north, right, towards Bombay. So we will see some increase in rainfall. And from 15th onwards, you see this particular UAC has almost moved towards Bombay. So 15th evening onwards, some heavy rains, moderate to heavy rains are expected. And once you get into 16th, then things are actually beginning to get interesting because now you see a nice vortex pattern right here. And this vortex is the vortex that is key for giving some heavy rainfalls. So on 6th, so 15th evening till 16th is pretty interesting because we can see some heavy rainfall events. Maybe the first 100 mm of the season with some waterlogging possible, and that those kind of rains will continue until 16th evening or 17th early morning, obviously with some break in between. All right, so 15th, 16th, 17th are the dates to watch out, especially from the evening of 15th. Okay, late night, early morning of 16th, some heavy rainfall is expected. That is for Bombay. Pune will also start getting some rains because the westerly winds are going to strengthen and that will push the cloud bands much interior. So Pune will also see some good rains, maybe not very heavy, but moderate to heavy rains are possible. Nashik will also see some good rains. and under the influence of this UAC, which is still active, central India will get some moderate rains as well. So overall outlook is looking quite interesting and positive. And in terms of monsoon onset progress, because the monsoon intra-seasonal oscillation is pretty active, okay, it's an active phase, so monsoon will progress very rapidly. So once it crosses Bombay by 20 or 22nd, it will reach Gujarat and cover parts of it will cover Madhya Pradesh fully and also parts of West Uttar Pradesh. That is what is expected by 20 or 22nd of June. So monsoon is right now in a very active phase. So slowly things are going to improve for Bombay. So let's not give up. Tomorrow most likely onset will happen, and then 15th, 16th are the dates to watch out, with some rain spilling over to 17th of June. We don't have to worry about our June quota. I feel it will be definitely be fulfilled. Okay, we will definitely get some good rains, and we will get the June quota of 500 mm rainfall by end of this month. Alright, so please subscribe to my channel, and if there are more updates, I will get back to you. Take care, bye.